Hey guys, what's up? It's NanoAircraft back again, bringing another product review. This time I'm going to be reviewing the MPOW Cheetah Sport Bluetooth 4.1 headphones. MPOW sent these to me for a product review, and I promise this will be unbiased and honest. You can find this product for $28 on Amazon in either black, blue, or green. I'll have a link in the description down below so you can check these out for yourself and maybe order them if you really like them based on this review. Let's start off with the accessories and the box packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. MPOW, you can have their website right there and their support email, I guess. You have a user manual that I'm not going to read through everything because it would just take too long. I'll get it focused in on you guys, for you guys. So you have all your specifications, how to use it, how to charge it. I mean, some of this is pretty self-explanatory, but some of you might want to know based on your preferences. You have an 18-month warranty with this. You've got a QR code here if you want to scan that and find the Twitter and Facebook. Short little micro USB charging cable to charge the headset. And as you can see here, we have 2 pairs of extra earpieces. So you have a bigger size and a smaller size, and then you have the ones that are actually in the headphones themselves. So if your ears are different sizes and they don't fit at first, you can always try a different pair. Now and onto the actual headset themselves. So this is a Bluetooth 4.1, so that's the latest version, I believe. 2.5 hour charge time with the included micro USB charging cable, 8 hours of playtime. And on here you can see that there are buttons on the side for controlling. So you have volume increase and decrease, and if you long press these, it'll skip the song to the next song or the previous. And you have your little flap for your micro USB charging. As I said, 2.5 hour charge time, and that's what I experienced. On the other side, you have your multifunction / power button. So you long press this to turn it on, long press it to turn it off. And when you're wearing them, it'll say like power on when you power it on, and if the battery is low on the headphones, it'll say battery low. Or I believe when you connect your phone, it'll say connected. Also, if somebody calls you and you press this button, it'll accept the call. And if you pause the video when I'm going through the user manual, you'll see like you can use it to mute a call or something like that. There is a microphone on this somewhere on here. You can see there's a little LED light to show you if it's paired or if your headset is on. So how you actually put these on, so this is what they look like when they're just sitting and you're not wearing them. And then you just unfold these and then just fold them around like that, and your head goes around here. So this is the back of your head, and it go like that. So it's a band around your head, not like just a wire like other just regular Bluetooth headphones. So it does stay pretty snug on your head. They're not going to fall off when running, and they sound pretty good for, I mean, $28, I guess. I mean, I guess the sound quality could always be better, but for my needs, they sounded pretty good. I'm not an audiophile or whatever, but they do sound pretty good, and they've never fallen off of me. I mean, it's kind of basically impossible because these go around your head, because this band make these want to go in, so there really is no way, and it goes around the back of your neck, so it's always, you know, connected to your body so that they'll never fall off. So I'd like to thank MPOW again for sending this to me for review. That was very nice of them. As I said, link in the description down below if you guys want to see more and read more about it. Look at other reviews, I guess. Please like the video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe for more content. I'll be coming out with some new reviews soon. You can follow me on my Twitter for new updates. And I'll see you guys next time.